Welcome to another Simple Dad TikTok video. In this video, I want to show you how to use the trending red dress TikTok effect. Before moving on to the video, I would appreciate if you can let me know if this video is helpful or not. You can do this by hitting the thumbs up button or the thumbs down button. So this effect can be used on yourself, or if you want some humor, then you can apply it to someone else. It basically puts a red dress on that person. So let me show you how to get this. First, open up your TikTok app. Next, tap on search here at the top right and search for red dress. You should see the effect here within the effects section, and the icon should look like this. Tap on it. Now tap on how others have used this effect. As you can see, it basically finds a person and makes them wear a red dress which is shoulderless. It is quite impressive as it fits perfectly. You can do it to yourself or you can point it to someone else, which creates a funny video. There is a trending audio to this, so make sure you press use effect on one of these videos. Now point the camera to someone else or on yourself, and as you can see, whoever you point the camera to, he or she will wear the dress. And that is how to use the trending red dress effect on TikTok. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.